All right, so we're in a hallway here where we had a coat closet, and it was kind of a useless closet because this is an office renovation. So a really inexpensive way and nice shelving system you can put into a closet that isn't a lot of work, isn't a big expense, is doing a simple system like this. So you can see we have a 3/4 inch product inside here, and this is going to be our shelf bracket. So essentially, we're ripping these about 2 to 3 inches wide. You can go a little thinner. And we're screwing these nailers into the studs, and then we're just cutting plywood accordingly to fit. So here we're using a MDF veneered solid plywood, and as you can see, you simply make the bracket, cut the shelf, put it in place. So now you can make these shelves removable like they are now. They're gonna stay in place. They're very strong. They won't flip forward. Or you could put screws into them to make sure they're completely sturdy. And then once this is all said and done, you're going to caulk the seams, paint everything, fill the holes, paint the closet. And this is gonna look like a built-in, customized, integrated closet, which from most companies would charge you a lot of money to do that. But this is a good way as a DIY project, or even if you're a builder and you have a smaller budget on the project, this is a great look. So we'll show you some finished product so you can see what it looks like. All right, here's just a quick shot of the finished shelving. So you can see we have our nailer here and we have our shelf. Because this was a longer span, we put a little bit of a larger board here because we also wanted to make sure we integrated a coat hanging bar. So if you're putting a bar, you have to make sure you leave enough room, or you put a wide enough shelf bracket so that you can mount the bar and you have enough room to put the coat hanger. You want to make sure basically you have enough clearance from the bottom of the shelf to the top of the bar. So yeah, simple. Once it's all done, you can see how nice it looks. It looks built in. They're really sturdy, really strong. Just make sure you use the right material and it'll work out right. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.